Magnum is 9 years old and he's a boy, and Scout is 5 years old and she's the girl. They're a good pair of red-tick hounds. They're very, very loving, very loyal dogs. They will let you know if you've got a squirrel in your yard, a deer in your yard, a person walking by your house. They take their job very seriously. If you're interested in learning more about them, you can check out our website or give us a call at the Shuswap SPCA. Our telephone number is 250-832-7376.